Hello everyone and welcome to a new DTeach tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to create materials, simple materials in Blender. So first of all, when you first boot up Blender, you'll be greeted with this. A very simple setup. You have a cube, you have your camera, and you have a light source. So you zoom in and out with your mouse wheel. You can rotate the camera by pressing said mouse wheel. Click on objects to select them. And if you want to edit an object, go to edit mode by pressing tab. And this is how you can select edges, faces, or vertices. So to make it material, first press C and go to material preview. This will show a very basic version of your materials. If you want to edit a material, go to the materials tab. And here you have a lot of options of what to do with your materials, like subsurface, specular, transmission, coat, sheen, emission. And you also have the base color, how metallic it is, the roughness, the IOR, and the alpha. So if we want to make a simple metallic texture, a simple metallic material, just click on your cube and drag the metallic value up to 1. This will make it look like a normal metallic object. And if you want to improve the quality, just go to the render properties and check these boxes like ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space reflections, and motion blur. Keep in mind that these options can hinder your overall performance, but it's worth it if you want to have a good idea of what your material will look like when it's rendered. So we have our basic metallic cube, but we can do better. If we go to the shading tab, you'll see you have these nodes. And this is the same thing you see in the materials tab, by the way. So if you want to add a texture to make it more realistic, let's say a roughness texture, just press Shift A to add, go to search, and search up image texture. So we have our image texture here, and we're gonna plug the color into the roughness. Now this looks very reflective, but that's because we haven't chosen an image texture for it. So make sure you download a texture. For this, I recommend using a website like Polyhaven that has very high quality textures you can use for your models. So I have my own texture here. There we go. Now it looks way more realistic, as you can see. And if you're unhappy with how it looks, or it looks a bit weird, you can go back to your layout workspace, select cube, go to edit, press 3, and now that you have selected all your faces, just press U, and for UV mapping, well, cube projection works best for this particular model, but you can also smart UV project or simply unwrap it. So let's do that. Now it looks better. It's more consistent. So that's it for today's tutorial. We went over the basics of how to texture an object. In this case, we made a metallic texture that looks very realistic. In renders, these will look even better. So that's it for this tutorial. Bye bye.